Fieldify enables you to create personalized forms custom tailored to your specific work process. The forms you create will appear in the Fieldify mobile app and enable your field staff to fill them out as they go. You can create forms for any business situation. In this example, however, we will create a form that uses all the functionalities of custom forms. Of course, you can only use the functionalities needed for your particular case. Go to the Settings section of the Fieldify dashboard and click on the Forms tab. Create a new category. Categories help you keep your field personnel organized based on their profession or function. In this case, we will create a field service category. Click the Create New Form button. The form creation interface will appear on the screen. Select the form category, enter the form name and description. You can also enter the email if you want a copy of the completed form sent to an email address. This can be very useful in situations where reaction time is crucial to the work process. Now you are ready to start adding fields to the form. You can select the fields you want to add on the right. When your field job depends on certain services or items relevant to your company, you can use the Inventory Item field. It is one of the most useful features of mobile forms. Select the item category and click the Add Item button if you want to add more item selection drop-downs. The mobile user can now select items or services from predefined categories depending on specific fieldwork needs. The field options help you change advanced field parameters. If you make the field mandatory, it must be filled out before the mobile user can submit the form. The multiple entry option will make the field have multiple entries. This makes adding more inventory items to the form easy and fast. You can also select the quantity option, which will enable the user to select inventory item quantity on the fly. This is helpful when you are using more inventory items of the same type. The drop-down field enables the mobile user to select items from a drop-down menu, enter the item description, and add more items if needed. The checkbox field enables the mobile user to check multiple items from a list. Enter the checkbox list name and add items that can be checked to the form. The radio button field enables the mobile user to select a radio button item. Enter the radio button items you want displayed on the mobile device. The short and long text fields enable the mobile app user to enter text. Enter the text field description that will be visible to the mobile user. This can be useful when the user has to enter custom text like names or comments to the form. This is the most time-consuming data collection process and is only recommended in cases where you cannot solve it with predefined form items, for example, drop-down menus or checkboxes. Click on Add a Photo field and add the description. Photo fields are used when the mobile app user is required to take photos on location. For example, this can be used to display a before and after state of a subject in question. Add a signature field when the form needs to be signed by a client. Add the geotag field and the description if your report requires the mobile user to tag the location. The uneditable text enables you to add text that the mobile user will not be able to edit. This is useful for passing on work process instructions, alerts, and agreements. Once you have the needed fields in place, finalize the form and save it. You can always come back and make additional changes if necessary. The form is now visible to your field team and can be used in your field work process. Thank you for watching this tutorial.